Isaiah will be 2 in March 31st. I felt scared when I found out he was born with Down syndrome and he had 3 holes in his heart. I didn't know if he would make it out my belly. I didn't know what our future was going to be like. I didn't know what to think. I felt helpless, in need of everything, support. Just a miracle needed to happen. Without Easterseals, I don't know where we would be. Isaiah loves his therapist. He adores them. He tries to take over when they're teaching them stuff, but he likes to play mostly, and it's amazing how much he can learn just through play. The therapists have taught me things that I wouldn't have learned on my own. The treadmill came into our house when Isaiah was about 9 months old, and I didn't understand how it was going to work or how I was going to do it, but simple 8 minutes a day. He has learned to take steps. He's almost walking. This journey has been full of ups and downs, full of smiles, full of tears, full of laughter, full of surprises, full of everything that I didn't even know I needed. And without Easterseals, I would never realize that. Isaiah has been a bundle of joy, and I'm glad that I get to share him with Easterseals and beyond.